This is homework set number 2 for ECE 476-676 Advanced Embedded. The goal for this homework set is to program the game of Mastermind using Python. Now with Mastermind, you generate a 4-digit code where each number is in the range of 0 to 5. Then you take a guess. For example, if the code is 4444, it's perfectly fine having repeated digits. And my guess is 1, 2, 3, 4. What it's going to do is go digit by digit. The number 4 appears in my guess, so I get 1 point. This 4 appears in my code, I get 1 point. This 4 appears in my guess, I get 1 point. And this is in the right spot, I get 10 points. So the score I would get would be 3, 1. Correction. 1, 3. 1 digit in the right spot, 3 in the wrong spot. This adds up to 4, so all 4 digits in the code are in my guess. Write that program. The first problem is come up with a way to generate the code. I'm going to use strings rather than numbers, just makes it a little bit easier. So here's the get code routine. I'm going to generate 4 random numbers, convert to strings, append them, then return it. Anytime I write a program, I want to test it. For example, in Thani, I might say, here's my get code routine. I want to test that. So what I'm going to do is generate 5 numbers. And run it. So when I run that, here's my 5 numbers. Every time I run it, I get 5 different numbers. And the range is 0 to 5. So that looks good. Problem number 2. Now come up with a way to score it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the 2 numbers, the key and my guess, and then check. Start with a score of 0. For each digit in the key, if y is the same digit in the right spot, I get 10 points. Otherwise, if I have the same digit anywhere in the code and I is not equal to j, because that was 10 points, I get 1 point. Add it up. Let's see if that works. So again, in Python, what I would do is once I have my main routine, get code, and score, I want to check to see if score works. So what I could do is say x is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to see, does this score correctly? Now what I should get is going digit by digit. The 1 is worth 10 points. This one gives me 1 point. There's 1 of my guess. 1 point, 1 point. So I should get 13. If I try it, I got 13. Okay, that's good. Let's try if my guess is 1, 1, 1, 1. I should get 10 points, 10 points, no points, no points. 2, 0. That's good. Let's try 3, 3, 2, 1. I get 1 point, 1 point, 10 points, 1 point, 13. Let's try 5, 4, 0, 2. Again, no points, no points, 1 point, no points, 1. Okay, that looks like that works. Again, one thing to note, anytime you write a routine, you want to test it. Finally, let's write a game that plays Mastermind. So here's the main routine. I'm going to start with 0 points, get my code, and as long as I'm not right, keep guessing. So it's going to ask for my guess, 4-digit number, score it, print the score, and keep going until I win. So over here in Thani, there's the main routine. Let's try it. Let's bring this up. It's going to ask my guess. Let's try it 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1. So there are 3 zeros and 5s in the guess. Let's guess 0, 0, 1, 5. 2, 1. So I know the number 1's not in it. 2 of these in the right spot. So let's try 0, 3, 5, 5. Ooh, that was it. That was kind of lucky. And I got all 4 digits correctly. That's the game of Mastermind.